Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you that so simple crochet shawl pattern. It's shawl or scarf pattern, but you can use that which project you want. It's so suitable pattern. I like it very much and it's so fast crocheting. You can do that easily and so fast. It's only 3 rows repeating, not complicated. I changed 2, 4, 6 and 7 sets. Per 7 sets I changed my color. You can make it only one color, or you can do that like me, but if you want you can change every set. It's your choice, it's your decision. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our so simple scarf or shawl pattern, or which you want to say that. Let's start to crochet. I'm coming here with a super easy shawl again. We have only 3 rows repeating. It's so easy. I use in that shawl Angora. I don't be sure that spelling like that. I use them double folded because 100 grams is 550 meters. It's so thin. I use with that double folded yarn 4mm hook. I use 2 colors together and crochet 7 sets, 1 color. After 7 sets, second color. I will explain you with a bamboo yarn. It's not so thick, you can see that. Again, use 4mm hook. I want to give you a measurements. Its width is 13 inches and nearly 33 centimeters. I made first 69 chains. Okay, be careful about that pattern. Only you need multiples of 8. You can adapt that size, which size you want. You can make it more little, or you can make it more wider. Only be careful, you will need multiples of 8 plus 5 only one time. Height is your decision. If you want to use that like a scarf or big rectangle shawl, you need nearly 2 meters. I want to show you a little sample. So I want to make my chains 24 because multiples of 8. 1, this is slip knot, 1, 2, 3, 4, and only one time add 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 29 chains. Yarn over and start with that very first chain. 1, 2, 3, skip, insert into the 4th one and make a double crochet. So I have here 2 double crochet. This is for the edges. You can see here 2 double is here, 2 double at the end. After chain 2, yarn over and count here 1, 2, 3, skip, insert into the 4th one, make a double crochet, pull through 2, pull through 2, chain 1, yarn over, insert into the same stitch and make one more double crochet. So I have V stitch, chain 2, yarn over, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, insert into the 4th one, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, make a double crochet here, then chain 2, chain 2, yarn over, and again skip 3, 1, 2, 3, insert into the fourth one, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, then chain 1 and make one more double crochet in the same stitch and make a V stitch, chain 2, skip 3, insert the fourth one and make a double crochet. This is the first rose pattern. Again chain 2, skip 3, insert the fourth one, make V stitch, double chain 1 and make one more double here, chain 2, skip 3, come to the end and make 2 double for the edge, 1 double, yarn over, insert into the last stitch and make one more double, chain 3, chain 3 and turn my work. We start our second row, yarn over and make one more double on the next stitch. So I made here 2 double. This time chain 1, yarn over and insert into that chain 1 space and make here 2 double, chain 1 and 2 more double in chain 1 space, then chain 1, yarn over, insert into that double crochet stitch and make a double crochet, chain 1, come to the chain 1 space, make 2 double, chain 1 and 2 double, again chain 1 and make a double on the double, chain 1, come to chain 1 space, make 2 double, chain 1 and 2 double, chain 1, come to the edge and make here 2 double on that 2 double. This is one and this is the last one. Chain 3 and turn my work. We are on the third row. Count as the first double, yarn over and insert into the second and make one more double here. Then yarn over and not make any chains. Insert into chain 1 space and make here 7 double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Yarn over, come to the double crochet stitch and make here double crochet, yarn over, come chain 1 space, make 7 double. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Yarn over, come to double crochet stitch and make here double crochet, yarn over, come to the chain 1 space and make here 7 double. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Yarn over and come to the last 2 double and make your 2 double for the edge. That's the repeating pattern. Now we turn back to the first row. Chain 3, count as the first double, yarn over, insert into the second stitch and make a double crochet again. Chain 2 this time, yarn over and skip 3 stitch, insert into the fourth one and make here double, chain 1 and double. Prepare that shell's place, that V-stitch here. Then chain 2 and come to the double crochet stitch and make a double. Chain 2, skip 3, insert into the fourth one, make double, chain 1 and make one more double in the same stitch. Chain 2, come to the double crochet stitch and make double crochet. That's always same. Chain 2, skip 3, insert into the fourth one, make one double, chain 1 and make one more double, then chain 2 and make 2 double that on that 2 double. Chain 3 and turn your work. Again turn back to the second row. You remember that. Make my edge doubles. Chain 1 this time. Yarn over and come to the chain 1 space, make 2 double, chain 1 and 2 double, chain 1, make a double, chain 1, make 2 double, chain 1 and make 2 double more, chain 1, make a double on the double crochet, chain 1, 2 double, chain 1 and 2 double, chain 1 and come to the end, make here 2 double crochet. This is as same as the second row, you know. Then chain 3, turn, count as the first double, yarn over, insert into second one and make a double crochet. Not make any chains, insert into the chain 1 space and make 7 double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Again not make any chains, yarn over and make double crochet on the double crochet. After that row, turn back to that first as the fourth row, chain 3 and turn, make a double crochet, chain 2, skip 3 stitch, insert into the fourth one and make a V stitch, double, chain 1, double, chain 2 and make a double on the double. Keep repeating that 3 rows. Which size you want, you can adapt that width which you want. Only be careful about that, multiples of 8 plus 5 only one time. I hope you like this tutorial and you will try. You can make with that pattern shawls, cardigans, coats, which you want. Also I think it's maybe a skirt, it will be a great with that pattern. Hope you like it. If you have any questions, please leave me comments and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest and Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.